What is the area of a 2 by 2 square? Answer, 4. What is 7 minus 6? Answer, 1. Liam had 11 cookies and gave 10 away. Match the subtraction sentence. Answer, 11 minus 10 equals 1. Ben had 8 cars and lost 1. Match the sentence. Answer, 8 minus 1 equals 7. Make 12 using two numbers. Answer, 2 plus 10. What is 3 minus 0? Answer, 3. Ben had 7 cars and lost 2. Match the sentence. Answer, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Liam had 11 cookies and gave 11 away. Match the subtraction sentence. Answer, 11 minus 11 equals 0. What is the area of a 4 by 4 square? Answer, 16. What is the area of a 5 by 5 square? Answer, 25. Liam had 9 cookies and gave 2 away. Match the subtraction sentence. Answer, 9 minus 2 equals 7. What is 2 plus 8? Answer, 10. What is 10 plus 2? Answer, 12. What is 1 plus 5? Answer, 6. What is 9 plus 10? Answer, 19. What is 2 plus 5? Answer, 7. Ben had 10 cars and lost 9. Match the sentence. Answer, 10 minus 9 equals 1. Ben had 8 cars and lost 3. Match the sentence. Answer, 8 minus 3 equals 5. What is 10 plus 4? Answer, 14. Make 15 using two numbers. Answer, 5 plus 10.